Hi guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to use Airdrop on your iPhone. Airdrop lets you transfer files between iPhones, iPads, and Macs, quickly and easily without without using your Wi-Fi or mobile data. It uses Bluetooth, low energy to broadcast, discover, or negotiate connections, and point-to-point Wi-Fi to transfer information. And this means that is if it's not only fast but also efficient and fully secure. So how do you use the actual airdrop? Airdrop gives you the freedom to share and receive almost anything between your iPhone and other Apple devices. You can use airdrop photos, videos, contacts, voice memos, locations, and anything else that takes your fancy, right? If you want to to use the airdrop, and let's say for example that you want to start using the airdrop for sending photos or videos or whatever it might be, what you're gonna do, first of all, open an app. Let's say for example a photo or a video. All right, let's say for example I'm gonna just go ahead to this video. Right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and click right here the share button next to the heart. You're gonna see it at the below left corner, and you're gonna see a share button, and basically, or you're gonna see a window pops up to see multiple options that you can share for. Tap airdrop right here, and basically turn on the Bluetooth by just swiping up on your charger and just turn on the Bluetooth, right? And basically in here you're gonna see the person that uses the Apple device, iPhone for example, right? And you will see their name appearing right here in the under the condition that they need to turn on their hotspot one, right? And they need to turn on the Bluetooth as well. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, airdrop right here, and I'm gonna see the people that have Apple devices, and then simply point the iPhone to the direction of their devices. All right, just point the iPhone right here next to the other person's iPhone, and basically you will be able to share the photo or the video with your Bluetooth only. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.